I know why. Thank you for that. Because you're the only people that, at a concert, like the band will be performing concert, and you guys are just like a few thousand people. You guys will decide like, we're gonna sing this song now. And you're like, oh, sing this song. You sing this song. Sing it. And we may be playing a different song, but you guys are just like, we want to hear this song. This song. I love that. You guys are so great. I don't even know what you were singing just then, but it sounded great. Whatever it was. Very good job. We're gonna play a song from our 4th album. Oof. Check it out. Ready, guys? Big bug. I will still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. None of fucking love was so scary. That bug, you see that flying bug? Was this fucking big. Right here. Thanks. Yeah,